CQ, 1-6 Division, 1-6 Division, CQ Europe, CQ 1-6 Division, 16 Division. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA, North America, calling CQ.
Attention, my friends from Tennessee, United States, on two-type station 16, Foxtrot X-ray 006, okay, you have to come back with your call sign. You're coming in with a signal 5, and your radio is 4. On this side, my personal name is Eddie, like Echo, Delta,
QSL, very good, Eddie, 16 Delta X-ray 006, Eddie, very good. You got the contact number is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. The numbers are 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, and the contact personal name is Ken, Kilo Echo November, Kilo Echo November. You have 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, Ken, State of Tennessee, USA. Back to you, Eddie.
Okay, my friend, Mr. Ken, Mr. Ken, it's like Kilo Echo November. Your personal name is Ken. Okay, your call sign is America, Whiskey 014. I come again with your call sign. It's 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. Okay, my friend. What is my radio signal over there? What's my radio signal? Thank you.
QSL, Eddie, QSL, very good. Your signal report is 5x9. Your signal report is 5x9 here in the state of Tennessee. 5x9 in the state of Tennessee. Working conditions on this end is at President Jackson. I'm working at President Jackson Export Radio with only 50 whiskeys. My amplifier is no longer. I had an amplifier that broke. 50 whiskeys at you, Eddie, QSL.
Okay, my friend, Mr. Ken, 100%. I copy you very good. Your radio is 5 and your signal is also 5. It's a good, very good radio. Okay, my friend, your translator is a Jackson. It's a Jackson and your power is 50 whiskeys. I believe you say 50 whiskeys. Okay, that's very good. Okay, my QTH, I give you my QTH. It's a bar, it's like Bravo, Alpha, Lima. It's about 30 kilometers on the northeast side from Brussels, the capital of Belgium. Okay, my friend, Ken, copy?
QSL 100%, Eddie. Very strong propagations, no problems whatsoever. Very good signal. I am working a Anton 99 vertical Anton 99, and propagations are really good. Been good all morning since about 8:30 a.m. this morning. All of Europe has came in very strong. Good making contact with you, Eddie. Back to you there, Ken.
Okay, my friend, Mr. Ken, okay, I hear your antenna is Altron 99. Okay, the time here on the moment is 6 o'clock and 30 minutes in the evening, p.m., 6:30 p.m. Okay, my friend Ken, I give you my weather conditions. What you're on favor is a Kenwood. Tango Sierra, separation 570 Delta. Okay, my antenna is a two-element Mopson antenna. A two-element Mopson antenna, self-made from a friend. And the power at the moment is about 100 whiskeys. Okay, my friend, mic to you.
QSL, very good radio, very good radio. It's got really good audio. You have excellent audio. We've got you probably hear some sirens in the back here. Must be something going on here. I'm in a small town north of Nashville, Tennessee. I'm located about 20 miles north of Nashville, Tennessee. A little small country town, but sometimes we do have some emergencies there. Eddie, it's good making contact with you. Your signal's very strong here in the state of Tennessee here this evening there. Operator Ken, back to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ken. Okay, you are on the 20 miles on the north side of Tennessee. Okay, but can you tell me your city name, your city name? Can you spell for me your city name, Roger?
Hey, QSL, yes, I can give you the city name. It is Sierra, Papa, Romeo, India, Echo, November, Golf, Foxtrot, India, Echo, Lima, Delta. It's called Springfield, Tennessee. There, QSL.
Okay, Roger. I have your city name 100%. Springfield. I come again with your city name. It's like Sierra, Papa, Romeo, India, and now I'm not sure. After India, I have Echo, November, Golf, Foxtrot, Lima, Delta, Springfield. Okay, my friend Ken, is that correct?
QSL, Eddie, 100% correct. Very good. Yes, Springfield, Tennessee, a little small town just north of Nashville, about 20 miles. Located about 20 miles north of Nashville, Music City, Tennessee, is Springfield there. Eddie, Ken, back to you, sir.
Okay, Mr. Ken. Okay, can you tell me the weather on the moment in Tennessee? The temperature in Tennessee. Here at the moment it's outside 60 degrees. It's not raining, and it's very good for the side from the air, okay?
Hey, QSL, Eddie, 100%. We've got beautiful weather here. It's overcast, really pleasant. I would guess probably 60, maybe about 72 degrees. I'm not sure exactly on the degrees, but Fahrenheit. But really nice, pleasant evening. This morning was rather chilly. We're starting to get some fall weather during the mornings, but that's kind of expected this time of the year. But beautiful day today. Not really any sun coming out, overcast, but the conditions, propagation is very good there. Back to you.
Okay, my friend, but the signal is going a little bit up and down. It's going from signal 1 to signal 3. It's not very good anymore. It's not very good. It's going a little bit up and down. And your radio also from radio 2 to radio 4, 5. Okay, my friend, I sent you my geo forecast, my digital geo forecast is on audio on the net. Okay, my friend.
Okay, 16 Delta X-Ray 088. Take care. All the good numbers to you from my house to yours. It's been a pleasure, and